What are the benefits of using blister packaging for watch parts? 1. The excellent water and oxygen isolation performance of the blister protects it from dust and moisture. 2. Independent packaging reduces the risk of collision damage during transportation. 3. The blister is transparent and can be quickly identified without opening the package, especially for high-end watch parts. This packaging can better highlight the exquisiteness of the product. 4. Easy to store and transport. The blister packaging is compact. It can be stacked in a specific arrangement to optimize storage space. Blister packaging is usually designed as a separate compartment, which reduces the possibility of mistaking or losing. 5. Strong tamper-proof performance. The blister packaging is not easy to open after sealing. Plays a certain anti-counterfeiting role.